So today I'm going to cook lemon chicken. So I got 2 chicken breasts, 1 fresh lemon and a little bit capsicum. So now I try to mix the sauce first. And then so try to take out the avocado, very bitter. So add 2 tablespoons sugar, and now I got the organic apple cider vinegar. So that's the best way to use. So put a 3 tablespoons. So 1 tablespoon honey. So also I got the custard powder. So I not put on now. So I later on use. So at the moment, just mix a little bit water first. So even though you can cut small, no problem. You can cut a small piece. So today I cut a little bit bigger piece. So fry and then cut a small piece. So 4 pieces. So now we marinate. So we put it on and saute wine, and we mix first. Now put egg. To mix the batter. So I got a corn flour and self-rising flour and 1 teaspoon salt and a little bit pepper, white pepper. So the batter mix, so not too round, not too thick. Beautiful. So use a little bit plain flour. So we dust a little bit the breast, just both sides. Then later we fry with the batter. So you can see little bubble, so we can cook it down. So for this chicken, so now put the sauce with the saucepan cook. I got a little bit custard powder, so it's basically just mix with the water. And now the sauce already boiling, so you just switch a little bit small fire, and then you just add a little bit by the time to thick up the sauce. And mix. Thick up. Add a little bit more. So the sauce beautiful thick up. So we leave it there, and then we check the chicken. So chicken nearly cooked. Really crispy. So I'm going to serve with the rice. Really crispy. Yummy chicken.